Most people in our community don't know this. At Green Lane Masjid, we support university students through chaplaincy. We provide guidance, support, and someone to turn to. This means being present for students as they navigate their faith, their personal struggles, and the pressures of university life. Every week, hundreds of students come and attend Jummah on campus, and many also come with their questions, their concerns, and situations that they might feel like they're not able to speak about elsewhere. Some need guidance in their faith, some are dealing with personal struggles, and some simply need someone trustworthy to listen and support them. It's more than just a khutbah. It's more than just a conversation after the prayer. It's ongoing chaplaincy support for Muslim students. This is the work that's happening right now, and it's part of the chaplaincy service Green Lane Masjid is delivering for university students. You can find out more about our work at www.muslimchaplaincy.network.com.